How's it going, guys? Today we're going to talk about a new company called International Montoro Residence Inc. So this company has a ticker symbol of IMT. And of course, before we look at this company and talk about all the big news on this company, I want to show you guys the chart and show you guys what I think and what I'm looking at right now. So right now for this company, we've seen a nice support in the past year at around 3 cents, 0.035, so around 3.5 cents. And this company has had a nice resistance at around 7 cents. And today, this company has broke past resistance. So these are the 1 year charts. And the good thing about this company is that I feel like we have hit a nice bottom. Because if you look at the long-term charts, let's look at the past 5 years. This company has been downtrending, and then in the past year, it has finally stabilized, and it's been trading sideways, and it's pretty much found a very nice resistance and a support line, which we've seen right here. So now, if we look at the 5 minute charts, we're going to see that today this company has broke past its resistance line right here. Could potentially be a good sign of this company starting an uptrend, breaking past resistance. This new resistance line right here at 7 cents could end up turning into a support line. That would be best case scenario. Let me just delete that. That would be best case scenario right here. This company, this new support line at 7 cents turns into a resistance line. Now, I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys. It's had a huge 27% run, and it's a lot of volume going on right now. A lot of volume, a lot of green volume. This company does seem to be a little overbought, but this company can continue to push forward. It's a penny stock. You know what I say about penny stocks? It's high risk and high reward. So it has a lot of potential to continue pushing forward. This run might not be over yet, and it's already made a huge run this morning. So let's take a look at them right now. Technical analysis on this company is a strong buy, and a buy. So it's looking really good on the 1 day. The 1 minute, it's a sell, strong sell probably because of the huge run it's already had. The 1 month, it's a buy and a buy. So let's take a look at this company. Market cap of 1.58 million. Shares outstanding 25 million. So this company has a very small market cap, very small amount of share dilution, which means that this company is going to be very volatile, and it could grow very fast, but expect a lot of volatility. If we look more into their financials, price to book of 0.99, that's a pretty good price to book. No price to earnings ratio, not a profitable company yet. But let's look at their total assets. Total assets of 2.275 million, and their market cap of 1.58 million. So that means this company's assets are more than what it's valued at. So this company, in my books, is a little undervalued. This company looks very good on paper, and I like the small market cap. I like the small share dilution. Right now, obviously, if I were looking to buy into this company, I would be waiting for it to hit the support line. But it's not guaranteed that it's going to hit the support line anymore. This previous resistance line might be acting as the new support line. It's a very hot company right now. It's very risky. You have a lot of potential to make money. So let's look more into this company. This is a Canada-based exploration stage company. The company is engaged in acquisition, exploration, and development of mineral properties, focusing on projects in British Columbia and Ontario and Canada. So now we're going to look at some pretty interesting news on this Montoro company. So Montoro received further positive results from 2D ZTEM survey and 3D inversions. Serpent River, Pecors, Elliott Lake, Ontario property. So ZTEM 3D data confirms 5 kilometers by 2 kilometers by 2 kilometers magnetic anomaly at Pecors. ZTEM data comparison to Vales, Voisey, Bay, Nickel, CU, and Coal Mine. Strength returns to nickel up 25%. You're going to need a telescope to see copper prices in 2021. So March 12, 2019, International Montoro Resources, Gary Musil, the president, with the receipt of September 2018, we learned that the ZTEM appears to identify a deep, gently east-cutting, east-dipping, and north-plunging conductive layer at a depth of 750 meters that coincides with the magnetic anomaly. The feature layer that is centered on our Pecors area block also remains open to the north. In this, we see 3 distinct magnetic anomalies at 750 meters, one being approximately 3.5 kilometers by 1.5 kilometers. We're going to go on to the next page, which is ZTEM 2D are in fact the tips to the tips of an iceberg of one considerably large contiguous magnetic anomaly estimated to be 5 kilometers long to 2 kilometers wide and 2 kilometers deep. So the PCOR ZTEM survey shows similarities with ZTEM results over the Vail Canada Limited Vail. ZTEM was successfully able to position to the eastern deep deposits in the correct location and at the correct depth using 2D inversion. So further to our news release on September 19, 2018, Geotech Ltd., Geotech Airborne of Aurora, Ontario, has provided the company with 3D interpretation of the helicopter's borne ZTEM geophysical survey of approximately 42 kilometers. So last week, Morgan Stanley joined Citi and Goldman Sachs in making a bullish call on the metal. The investment bank projected a 14% upside for copper in 2019 based on a widening supply deficit and the likelihood of a resolution in the US-China trade war. Historic discoverer of the Wasi Bay mine, Robert Friedland, commented, "You're going to need a telescope to see copper prices in 2021. Also, the U.S. Senate Committee on Energy and Natural Resources on February 2019, Simon Moore, Benchmark Mineral Intelligence, testifying to the U.S. Senate Committee on Energy and Natural Resources, comments between 2023 and 2028, lithium demand will increase by over 8 times. Cobalt demand will rise 4-fold, reflecting research aimed at reducing its usage, and nickel by 19 times. So this seems to be a very interesting industry, something that you would want to probably catch early before it's too late. Because you know what they say, you never want to chase a stock or chase a company once it's already made a huge run. Of course, this company has made a very decent run today, but I believe that this company is still in its beginner stages. It's still in the early stages. I'm going to try to leave a link for you guys of this whole article. You guys could check it out. Also, you guys can check out their website. We're going to check it out right now, montororesources.com. We're going to learn a little more about this company. So this is exploring for the next nickel, copper, cobalt, vanadium deposit in Ontario and Quebec, and rare earth elements in British Columbia and Canada. So I do make a lot of videos on the marijuana industry, on the cannabis stocks. And sometimes it is good to diversify your portfolio. And this is, I think, one of these companies that has a huge potential to grow, especially being a penny stock, especially having such a small cap. This company, I feel like it's finally hit a bottom and it might just be ready to push forward. We're going to look at the all-time charts again. And sometimes that's the best time to own a company. It's when it's near its rock bottom. We've seen this company hit all-time highs of around $4. And then that was back in 2006, 2007. Right now, we're getting it dirt cheap at 7 cents, 7.5 cents. This company keeps pushing forward now, up 36.36% today. You guys see my supports and my resistance lines, and I'm thinking that it already broke past this resistance line. It already broke past this resistance line right here. And now you could kind of see it acting as a support. So we're going to see right now whether it keeps this support, continues to uptrend. Right now, there's a lot of volume going on. It does seem to be a little overbought. I want to be completely transparent and honest with you guys. Also, I want to let you guys know that you guys should always do your own due diligence. This is strictly for educational and entertainment purposes. I'm going to leave you guys the link to their website. You guys could check them out, find out their latest news, like today's news. Montoro receives further, I lost that. Which is Montoro receives further positive results from 2D ZTEM survey and 3D inversion serpents. There's news on February 6th where Montoro acquires rare earth claims in Rocky Mountains, rare metal belt, British Columbia, Canada. January 16th, Stockhouse Montoro Resources unearthing Canada's energy metals. So this is a vanadium and cobalt. A lot of big things happening with this company, a lot of news. You guys could check them out. There's their contact information. This is a company straight out of Vancouver, British Columbia. Here's their number if you guys want to call them, 604-683-6648. If you guys have questions, you guys can contact them at gmusel@montororesources.com. I'm going to try to leave all the links here in the description. You guys could check them out. I encourage you to always do your own due diligence before investing in a company, but this is definitely a company that has caught my attention. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video on Montoro Resources. Let's not forget the ticker symbol is ticker symbol IMT, International Montoro Resources. And this company has been on fire today, 36%. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, don't forget to hit that notification bell, smash that subscribe button. Here I am. Right now, I'm not at home. As you guys could see, it's a different background. But this is the laptop lifestyle. I could still work from my laptop. Hopefully the sound quality is not that bad, because I noticed in my live stream, I listened to it after, the sound quality was a little rough. I'm gonna listen to this again. I'm gonna listen to this video before I post it. Hopefully it's not that bad. I forgot my mic and I forgot my headphones, so I can't use that as a mic. But either way, check out this company. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And that's it for now, guys. Bye-bye.